Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Lindsay.
And today we're going to do some Foxy. So Foxy is one of the most popular slow dances and a very, very common wedding or first dance. So Foxy came from kind of foxtrot. It's a slower, more consistent version of it. So what Foxy kind of looks like is we walk around, we take one step or two steps, and then we just sway. So instead of us just staying in the same place the whole time and just swaying back and forth forever, Foxy is kind of like an advanced version of just swaying, where we get to walk around, sway, and I get to kind of get around the floor a little bit, but still have the same kind of romantic feeling of swaying back and forth.
And typically, Foxy is actually really easy to match with popular songs, such as Perfect by Ed Sheeran, Thinking Out Loud, Ed Sheeran, the two most popular songs.
Yes.
So now go ahead and check out our Foxy videos and learn how to dance for your first dance, father-daughter dance, mother-son, whatever it may be, and we'll see you there.